Hello guys, a large logistics company is currently looking for 1 lakh square feet of rental space. Look here. Whether it's a warehouse, a godown, or a factory, we need space for rent. Location details. Bangalore Circle, Hosur Circle, Mysore Circle. Anyone in this area have rental property or land? If you have any people in your area, friends, relatives, please contact me immediately. Mobile number 63820646669, call or WhatsApp. We are constantly receiving requirements. So don't miss the opportunity to join the network. Want to promote your land or property? We will advertise for free. No commission, no money, we charge anything on our site. Tell us in the comments, we will not scam. So, if you have warehouse, godown, industrial rental space in your area, call, promote, use the space. Thank you for watching the video. Share this video with your network. Our logistics company has rental space. We need your support. To learn more, visit our website, link in description.